So I'm tired of my base cutting, clipping. So I went and bought me I bought a excess power, the 750 little battery kit to go in the back. Now I know when I'm posting this car, I just posted it the other day, and the guy said, "Wow, a Civic," but this is just not a Civic. It's a Civic till you ride in it, but you never get to see it under here. But we gotta figure out where we gonna put this thing. I'm at Horizon Audio. That look good. And what I like about that spot with that frame around it, it's gonna have that bulged up a little, but that thing be sagging. You know what I'm saying? I can't put no weight on it because it ain't got no.
Yeah. I was wondering how it's gonna fit because this thing is pretty bulky compared to the rest of the amps.
And
I do want it to sit flush still.
I knew that would be the challenge. I don't know. See that pocket right there? I don't know if that. Yeah, I don't know how that worked, but because that's what FaZe was saying. I'm so particular, which I am. I knew I just can't. I don't know where to stick it.
Test fit first.
Yeah.
All right.
And it don't have to be hid. I mean, that'd be the dream. But if it wasn't, we gotta do what we gotta do. Guess.
Tony, don't be shy to tell him who's in your way. Kick him out of the garage if you need to, okay?
Yeah, we talking audio. But I know how to stay out the way, and I gotta learn how to shut up though. That's the problem. But you know what? That look good. You got
Is that cool, man?
oh yeah. Look real good. You wouldn't have to have some glue.
I took out your main run, your power wire coming back that went into your D block here. This is where it splits your powers into all 4 of your amps here. So I took that one over here to the main fuse and I fused it. Then this guy comes over here to the battery. That's why there's 2 blue power wires, and then the other one comes out and goes over here to the D block to split off in all your amps. So it goes through that battery first, and it's fused, so just so it's safe. Ran an extra ground for the battery, of course, and I tied them all into the bolt down below.
So it's ready to test.
Yep. Just want to check.
Oh man, that was satisfying. I'm so satisfied. Yeah. Oh man, I play my music through my phone, so I can't, turn it on because I wanted to have the speaker beating and show the port how much air is pushing. But yeah, we in business now. I couldn't take it no more. We went to Rick Ross in Atlanta, right? My friend, right? He got a Bentley coupe with I think he said he got 2 8s in there, or 2 10s, whatever the case. Man, that thing was beating. And I was saying to myself, because they kept telling me with this new of a car, because of the computer and all this, you can't put an alternator and all these reasons why you can't put this. And I'm like, why ain't yours drawing and clipping? He said he got 2 batteries in there. He said you just need some. And then I was driving this shit, got the clipping the other day. So I went and I bought this.
Power makes a big difference.
Man.
It definitely brings that.
Oh, this is a perfect segue for the rest of the video. We're going to have him wrap this up. Then he's going to take me for a treat in his truck to see what real power is all about. Because he's, Tony's, what's your YouTube?
It's just under my name, Tony Vickers, but.
So, yeah, Tony is all about the beat down. Pound.
418,
so
16,000 watts.
418, 16,000 watts, no clip. Now, when I met Tony, I had him change my tweeters out, and I told him what I was after. He said, well, I don't do that. I could beat the paint off of here, but you need to go see our next door if you want a tuning, some GSP tuning. Man, that's gonna be really good. Now, what I'm seeing, might have to take one of them off.
It'll fit in there. I already took one.
Oh, you already did? Oh, okay.
I already thought ahead, buddy.
Cause I seen it touching, but okay. Well,
It'll fit in there.
Oh, that's even better, man. Cause yeah, it
It'll
was
go right
sagging.
down flat.
Yeah, it was
Yep.
sagging. So now this is the thing, Tony. My wife liked music, so I did her car. She got 2 8s. Because anyways, the story behind 8s, but wound up putting 2 8s in there, one over here, one over there, and them 2 8s is just wow, man. Them bitches, they'd give this a run for its money. I'm probably them 8s be giving it up, but she got the same draw power, problem rather. So I always say I'm gonna do mine first, and if it work over here, then we gotta do the other one. So
yeah, that power, it'll make a world of difference, especially hers. And my little daily, I have a Ford Ranger with 4 6.5s.
6.5.
Evil 6.5s. It's in a waterfall because it's a short bed,
Right.
a long bed, short cab truck, and a stick shift. So I took out the center console thing and I made it a speaker box.
Right.
So I put my arm on the actual magnet.
Right.
And it's just a little 6.5s, and I can get the mirror going. It's doing 136 decibels, and I love
So
it.
6.5.
Yep, some Evil 6.5s from Scar Audio. I like small subs, so this is impressive. That's why I stuck my head in here. I was like, man, that thing's getting down. Now we got a couple 12s in here, man.
Yeah. People always be surprised. Like, I just keep it clean and just, and so my thing is, once they get in here, it's an experience. You know what I'm gonna do?
It is.
Oh, I'm gonna pause this. No.
You gotta put a
Excuse
jack
me.
in it so it don't bust the windshield.
This shit crazy.
There's 36 speakers total, 32 highs and 4 18s.
Oh my god.
6 14 ohms on 2 sub amps.
This is like my dream.
Thing's noisy.
So
I used to add speakers for my stereo. I had like 20 speakers.
Yep.
About to give me a taste.
Yeah, let me change some shit out. Oh, let's do a different USB. Don't get copyrighted now. I'm gonna try to play something we can play on here for YouTube. I actually want to go some old school. I'm gonna go back to some Little John back in the day. Yeah, you'll be able to hear it out here. I'm sure.
He said you'll be able to hear it out. Do you think?
I'm gonna do this for the video.
Yeah. That's always fun.
Get some floating going on. So, this is my alternator voltage. This is my battery bank voltage. So I charge at 15.2, and I'm resting at 15.2 just because I haven't played it today or nothing. So that's on good voltage right now.
So it's full of juice.
Yep. So everything in here, you record right now?
Yeah.
We good? It's a 3-to-1 ratio fourth order, tuned to 48 hertz, 7 cube CO21 ported on 4 Godfather 18s, on 2 Teraamp MD8Ks. so 16,000 on the sub side. There is 6 4-channels, which I only have about 3.5 on the front stage and the rear stunt wall. Back doors have nothing in them yet, but I have the amps ready for it. So it's a single alternator on 160 amp hours of LTO lithium Yinglong cells. It's a 15-volt system now, technically 14.
As he just read it down to me, first thing across my mind was his eardrum. like, how are you doing it?
So everything in here is solid. I mean, there's 3 layers of wood here. The back is like it's a roll cage out of wood, man. I'll hit the ceiling later. It's just like, it's just solid. So this thing's a tank. It's rated at max capacity. I just took it down and weighed it. It's like 4,100 pounds, I think, curb weight, and the max is like 53, and it's metered out.
What you do to the suspension?
It has a 3-inch lift kit in the rear.
Okay, come on.
It is, and it looks stock height.
Yeah, right. That's why I'm like, this thing ain't squatting at all.
Oh, you know what? I'm on the wrong one. Apologize. Yeah, I jacked the torsion bars in the front, but the rear end has a 3-inch leaf spring helper kit and a set of coilovers on the shocks. There we go. Yeah, it's this one. This one sounds good. So all these are amplifiers. All these are fans. There's even fans on the sub in case they get hot. Fans on the sides, the stunt wall, the sub area. This is for the rear doors that aren't in use yet.
Right.
Right now it's a light. This thing's a light show at night.
And these switches are to turn subs on and off.
Yep, amps. So front stage,
turn it, okay.
Front doors, subs, gonna be rear doors, and stunt wall.
So now you mix them up for like different music? And
Yeah.
stuff?
So right now nothing will play out the back unless I want to with the
That's
switch.
crazy, dude.
Yep.
Drop fast and make you drink, make you shoot tie down. I don't care if I buy a girl just a leg in the thigh. She may spit her thighs, let me hear her aye, aye, aye. They say if you wait a little while, good things will come. Drink on, get yours, when you think it's gone. Patient dude, I really can't wait that long.
Yeah. No, come on and get some of this. Hey, start it over. Do them like, yeah. You got to get some of that.
I gotta record
Hey, look.
for my son.
Look, we old, right? So, hey.
Hold on, let me hit record.
Look, I had to do this and ease into it. I had to bring my. Oh, God.
That's too much. Put your hand. Alright. And here's one more pressure.
On this hill, I'm real with this shit. I real draws on, take the balls on. Cause you knew before you came in my room. You was so soft, oh no.
That is crazy, man. Woo! Hey, look. Hey, we gonna do this like this. I gotta go to work, man. But yeah, we're Horizon Audio, man. Alliance, Ohio, right? Hey. Hey, man. Hey, Tony. Hey, ain't no question. I think he know what the fuck he doing.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna
I'll show you something else.
Holy
Watch that
shit.
passenger door.
I should have answered the phone. My wife was calling.
I want you to hear my car. It's the blue one.
Okay.
It's a more subtle. See, watch the door. What the door gonna do? So watch that door. Man, this little thing. Bumping.
Cocaine is my girl, fine.
Yeah, that's all, folks.